Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. I'm Mark, your host. And in this episode we're going to be talking about where I've been, why I haven't produced an episode in quite a while, and where we're headed. And I do apologize for not putting out any new content in quite a long time. Quite a long story. It's quite a long story of what was going on. I'm really not going to take the time and bore you with all the details of that. I just want to tell you I'm back. I got an episode I filmed back in June in California, Modesto, for the American Graffiti Festival. That's going to be posted on Sunday, and then a few days later on Wednesday, I'm going to have the part two of that. First part one coming out on Sunday is going to be the American Graffiti Festival Classic Car Cruise, which I showed up to quite late to. If in the perfect world, if everything was on time, I would have been there probably 30 minutes before the event started, so I can get, walk around, talk with people, get the staging video done, and a lot of extra content and B-roll and all that fun stuff. But my flight was over 3 hours delayed, and by the time I got from Stockton to Modesto and then to my motel, checked in, and then out to the classic car cruise, it was just way late. As you can see how kind of dark the video is. Sorry about that, but it was all out of my control. So got one episode coming out Sunday, another one coming out Wednesday, and then following Sunday I'm going to have content. I'm going to put out new content every Saturday. I'm going to put out new content every Sunday and every Wednesday. For feedback, let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think of the episodes I'm filming. If there's something in the car world that you like to see that I'm not doing, just let me know, and I'll see if I can get that done. Coming up in November, I'm going to have two big events happening. I'm going to have SEMA, and then I'm going to have Mecum Car Auction. Now this year I didn't go to Phoenix for the Barrett-Jackson. I'm going to be back there next year for that again. I really miss it, but I just had a lot of things going on right now. I just couldn't get away from Las Vegas. Don't give up on me. Keep continuing to like my videos, share them. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I just want to put out better content for you folks out there, all your car enthusiasts like myself. I like to know what kind of cars you like too, does you like to see a video on a certain manufacturer or a certain model? Let me know and I can see about getting that done. But it's been a long road to get back here. I'm back filming again. I'm going to still do Hot Wheels and diecast. Maybe those episodes will be posted on Wednesday. Updates and news probably going to be on Wednesday, and then the features are going to be on Sunday. I got some ideas for features coming up. I want to do a feature on the history of In-N-Out Burger, since they have a huge car culture. It's a family-owned business. It still is. The last generation she's running the company now. Her dad was a drag racer. She's a drag racer. She actually drag races the wheelies that her father built and was driving and racing. I'll get you some updates on that. I want to do a feature on what's going on with John Force Racing. I don't know if you follow John Force or NHRA, but Brittany has announced he's retiring after this year. So all the Forces that drove will no longer be driving. After John's accident, he's kind of hung up his racing shoes and just supporting the team out at the track and doing a little bit behind the scenes. My understanding, he's no longer president of John Force Racing. I'll give you an update on that and a little bit more in detail on the remaining 2 drivers. Hopefully, during my deep dive into John Force Racing, I'll find out what he has going on. Maybe they're gonna replace Brittany. Maybe not. Don't know. I haven't looked that far into it yet, but I will. And that's pretty much it. I'm back. I'm going to be doing more episodes and building this channel even bigger and better than I have been in the past. I'm going to be consistent, and what's going to help with the consistency is that I finally retired from my full-time job. I'm now retired, so I can focus heavily on this channel and keep moving it forward. As Walt Disney always said, keep moving forward. So that's what I'm going to try to be doing with Gearhead Man. I do appreciate those who stuck with me. I know I've lost a bunch of subscribers during the downtime, and I definitely look forward to building more content and reaching out to you. I might try to do a live episode. That's kind of a challenge for me, but I'll see what I can do for that. Maybe when I'm at SEMA, I can do a live broadcast from there, or when I'm at Meekum, or both. Let me know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there with me, and let's keep moving forward and keep building this channel. I look forward to the next episode. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching this episode. Thanks for watching and supporting Gearhead Man. And everyone be safe out there. We'll see you next episode.